look at the month of April, of course, gold tumbled into a bear market then. If you compare the most recent month compared to April, you can see the differences, despite the fact that over the course of the year, gold has been down some 18%. Now, the 11 traders, analysts, and jewelers that we spoke to say the average price by the end of this year, well, that's going to be about $14.50 per ounce. And the breakdown by brokers, I can tell you, Goldman Sachs, $14.13 by the end of the year. CPM Group, $14.20 by the year end. But you know what? Jewelers, as you can see on your screen, are a lot more optimistic. Kaladi Jewelry, which is based in Dubai, says $15.50. In fact, the director there is saying that right now we're at that $13.50 point, and that's technically good because anything above $13.50 is actually really positive for where gold is headed by December. Bombay Bullion Association saying $1,600. Now, this is unusual, Susan, because spot gold is above forward prices, and that's really unusual. And many say that that could actually indicate a higher demand for the physical consumption, what consumers are going out there and actually buying. So the bars, the gold, the jewelry, and that's unusual because you're seeing the spot prices ahead of forward prices right now.
Well, we see the backup from the retail space, right? From those rushing out to buy their gold jewelry. We saw that here in Hong Kong with the bear market low in gold prices. I mean, there were lineups at the jewelry stores, and same thing in India as well.
And so those are the two main countries that are really fueling this rally that we're seeing right now in gold. So if you take a look at India, for the second quarter, consumer demand rose some 71%. In China, consumer demand for the second quarter rose 87%. In India, it's really fascinating because they say, the Bullion Association, the Bombay Bullion Association says, because you have a better monsoon season, that's going to increase the income for these farmers, and that's going to increase the price of gold that they're going to go out and buy in these local markets. Another interesting point to mention, according to World Gold Council, is that China is going to overtake India in a very near term over the next 1 or 2 years because of the fact that, aside from the population, but the average person, in terms of what they do with their discretionary income, they tend to go out and buy higher priced items, including jewelry. So be on the lookout for that.
Bullish prediction on gold prices coming from India. That's not surprising.